Alright, so today I thought we would build a custom keyboard on one of my shorts. The case we're using is the LK67 from GamaKay. This case looks absolutely phenomenal and I would highly recommend it. I actually have a link down in the description if you would want to check it out. Switches used are the Akko Lavender purples. I'm going to go ahead and pop these on for you, but these are a tactile switch. They're very light tactile though. Keycaps used are a replica set. They're not actually the GMK colorway, so you do not have to buy these or you do not have to support this, but I am using them. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the sound test. Hopefully you did enjoy. Go ahead and leave a like and let me know what else you want to see in short form.